Hello and welcome to another InvoiceBerry tutorial on how to use Zapier in order to improve your business's workflows and to automate them. Today we're looking at Typeform, a very popular form builder in order to create forms for your websites or to send them via email to your customers, to collect feedback, to collect payments or anything else. So I've already went ahead and created a Typeform account, and I just created a simple customer form where my customer can leave some information. In today's video, what we're trying to achieve is we want to send that form to our customer, and once they filled it out, we want that the information get automatically added to our InvoiceBerry account, to our client database in InvoiceBerry, so we can, for example, create an invoice for that customer later on. In order to do that, you have to go into your Zapier account and you have to connect Typeform with InvoiceBerry. So as a trigger, there's only one offer, which is new entry. And what we want to do, we could also create an expense, a client, an invoice, or an item. So we could have a bigger form where the customer has to fill out some more information and we actually create an invoice. But today we want to create a client. Okay, so let's click on try it. And now we have to first connect our account. Let's click on connect. And here, just go to the bottom and click on accept. So now our Typeform account should be connected to Zapier. And now you have to select which form you want to use. In this case, I want to use my new customer form. I click on next. And now I need to connect my InvoiceBerry account. So first click on connect, and in the new window you have to enter your API key and your API password. For that, go to your InvoiceBerry account, go to settings, main settings and integrations, and just request an API key. Click on copy API key, paste it, go back to InvoiceBerry, copy the API password, paste it here, and now it just checks with InvoiceBerry if all the details are correct. All right, perfect. And we want to connect our sample LLC account next. And now Zapier already recommends a few different fields that we want to maybe send from Typeform to InvoiceBerry. So the company name, the email, first name, last name, phone number, that all sounds great. Perfect. Let's click on next. And Zapier already got some sample data from our Typeform account and pre-filled the information here for a test. Let's click on company name. Let's see here what we need. All right, company name, email, first name, last name, phone number, everything is pre-populated. Perfect. Let's click on next and let's send the test. Okay, that was successful. Let's check our InvoiceBerry account. Click on clients. Perfect. Here's our test account. So let's go back to Zapier and click on next once more and turn on Zap. And now what we can do, we do one more test. We actually will go to our Typeform. So I just opened my Typeform and let's have a look if it actually works and if it gets saved in my InvoiceBerry account. Okay. Submit, and let's see if that submission ended up as a client in InvoiceBerry. Let's click on clients. Perfect. Acme, Jane Smith, just the one we submitted a moment ago. Great. So our SAP seems to be working. If you've got any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help you to automate your business. And see you next time. Happy invoicing. Bye bye.